So what is high income producing activities? If your time is limited to start building your business online, focus on high income producing activities. This dials the needle closer for you to take consistent action, focused work for maximum result output or maximum results you can see in a short period of time. So what is that? This comes down to short, medium, long form content, live webinars, running ads, reaching out to companies or to prospects. Those are all income producing activities, high income producing activities. Remember, anything that does not dial the needle closer to result output is just busy work, fake busy work. Ask yourself today, what 1, 2 things can I do each and every day that can bring me maximum results over a long period of time? People overestimate what they can achieve in 5 years' time, and they underestimate what they can achieve in 2 to 3 years' time. If you like this video, you can share this video, save this video, comment. Each and every day I document videos just for you. Thank you.